Imagine a silent traveler, born in the fires of a distant star, drifting through the infinite void of space for eons, only to slip into our solar system like a whisper from the cosmos. On July 1st, 2025, the NASA-funded Atlas survey detected such a wanderer. 3 Atlas, the third interstellar object ever identified, following the enigmatic Oumuamua and the comet-like Borisov. From the moment astronomers fixed their telescopes on this cosmic intruder, it was clear this was no ordinary visitor. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, humanity's most advanced eye on the universe, has now peeled back the layers of mystery surrounding 3 Atlas, revealing a truth that is not just strange but profoundly unsettling. This is the story of an object that defies the rules of planetary science, challenges our understanding of the cosmos, and forces us to confront questions we may not be ready to answer. Buckle up, because this journey into the unknown will leave you questioning the very nature of the universe. And if this story grips you as much as it does us, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's dive into the cosmic riddle together. When 3 Atlas was first spotted, astronomers expected a familiar tale, a comet or asteroid, perhaps, flung from a distant star system carrying the chemical fingerprints of its birthplace. Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, had sparked wild speculation with its cigar-shaped form and unexplained acceleration, while Borisov, found in 2019, reassured scientists with its comet-like behavior. 3 Atlas, however, refused to fit into either mold. As JWST turned its golden mirrors toward this interstellar guest, the data it returned was nothing short of astonishing. Unlike the chaotic, icy surfaces of comets or the pockmarked exteriors of asteroids, 3 Atlas revealed a surface layered with eerie precision, almost like the geological strata of a planet sculpted by time. But this was no planet. The telescope's spectrometers detected exotic silicates, minerals that shouldn't exist in any known stellar nursery, alongside carbon-based compounds so complex they teetered on the edge of organic chemistry, hinting at structures that felt unnervingly deliberate. What makes this discovery so gripping is its refusal to conform. Picture a cosmic object larger than Oumuamua, denser than expected, with a surface that doesn't just reflect light but organizes it into reflective bands, aligned with a precision that evokes engineering rather than nature's chaos. These bands, stretching across kilometers, shimmer in JWST's infrared images like the sleek lines of a machine. The data suggests something that feels crafted, as if 3 Atlas were not a random fragment of cosmic debris, but a relic of something far more profound. As you read this, pause and think, what does it mean to encounter an object that seems to defy the natural order? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because this mystery is as much yours as it is ours. The deeper JWST probed, the stranger 3 Atlas became. One of the most baffling revelations came from its thermal signatures. Comets, when kissed by sunlight, heat unevenly, venting gas in chaotic bursts that create glowing tails. Asteroids too, warm and cool as they rotate, their surfaces cracking under thermal stress. But 3 Atlas, it behaves like nothing we've seen. JWST's mid-infrared data revealed that vast regions of its surface maintain a near-constant temperature, regardless of solar exposure. Imagine an object that doesn't just absorb sunlight, but redistributes energy with the efficiency of a high-tech heat sink. This isn't the behavior of a fragile ball of ice or a lifeless rock. It's the kind of thermal management you'd expect from something designed to endure the harshness of space. This anomaly alone sends shivers down the spine. Natural objects don't regulate heat like this. The data suggests a level of internal conductivity or an active process that defies our models of cosmic geology. Scientists, cautious by nature, hesitate to leap to extraordinary conclusions, but the implications are hard to ignore. Could 3 Atlas be more than a passive wanderer? Could it harbor mechanisms, natural or otherwise, that allow it to survive the relentless bombardment of cosmic rays and stellar radiation? As we unravel this mystery, let's keep the conversation going. What do you think could explain this thermal puzzle? Share your ideas in the comments. The orbit of 3 Atlas adds another layer to its enigma. Interstellar objects typically follow hyperbolic paths, shaped solely by the sun's gravity as they whip through our solar system. Oumuamua raised eyebrows with its slight deviations, hinting at non-gravitational forces, but 3 Atlas takes this to a new level. JWST's high-precision tracking revealed subtle, persistent deviations in its trajectory, movements that can't be explained by the usual suspects like outgassing jets. These deviations occur without detectable vapor trails, suggesting forces that are either internal to the object or beyond our current understanding of physics. Picture this: an object hurtling through space, not just drifting but adjusting its course in ways that defy the predictable tug of gravity. The data shows recurring patterns in these deviations, almost like a cycle or rhythm, as if 3 Atlas is responding to an unseen metronome. This isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a challenge to everything we thought we knew about how objects move through the cosmos. The implications ripple outward, touching on questions of planetary defense. If objects like 3 Atlas can slip into our solar system with unpredictable dynamics, our ability to track and deflect potential threats becomes dangerously uncertain. What do you think these deviations could mean? Are we looking at a natural phenomenon or something more? Hit the comments and let's explore this together. The chemical makeup of 3 Atlas is perhaps its most unsettling feature. JWST's spectrometers detected isotopic ratios that don't align with any known processes of stellar evolution. Certain heavy isotopes, like those of oxygen and nitrogen, appear in excess, while others are mysteriously absent, creating a fingerprint that screams alien in the most literal sense. These ratios suggest two possibilities, both equally mind-bending. Either 3 Atlas formed in a cosmic environment unlike anything in our galaxy, or it underwent a process of refinement that selectively sorted its materials. The former would rewrite our understanding of how stars and planets form. The latter, it hints at something we dare not name, an intelligence that shaped this object with purpose. Among the detected compounds are fluorinated carbon structures, rare in nature but familiar in synthetic materials designed for extreme environments. These compounds, paired with the complex carbon-based molecules, blur the line between organic chemistry and engineered polymers. It's as if 3 Atlas carries the echoes of a laboratory, not a star. The presence of these materials, combined with the object's layered surface and thermal regulation, paints a picture that feels closer to architecture than geology. As you process this, ask yourself, could nature alone produce such precision? Or are we glimpsing something beyond our comprehension? Share your thoughts below and let's keep digging into this cosmic puzzle. Perhaps the most haunting discovery is the way 3 Atlas pulses. JWST's light curves revealed brightness variations that follow precise, almost harmonic cycles, independent of its rotation or geometry. These pulses, visible in both infrared and optical wavelengths, repeat with a rhythm that feels too neat to be random. Unlike pulsars, which emit radio waves, or comets, which flare with gas jets, 3 Atlas seems to modulate its light as if signaling, or functioning. The data doesn't scream alien technology, but it whispers it, and that whisper is enough to unsettle even the most skeptical minds. These cycles evoke the image of a mechanism ticking away inside the object, operating on a schedule that defies natural processes. The absence of outgassing or visible jets only deepens the mystery. What could cause an interstellar object to pulse like this? Is it a natural phenomenon we've yet to understand? Or does it hint at something dormant, waiting to be reactivated? The scientific community is grappling with these questions, and so should we. Drop your theories in the comments. Could this be a cosmic heartbeat or something else entirely? Let's keep the conversation alive. The scale of 3 Atlas amplifies its enigma. Unlike the relatively small Oumuamua, this object is massive, larger and denser than initial estimates suggested. JWST's measurements of its albedo and gravitational influence reveal a body with the mass of a substantial asteroid, yet with a hollow-like internal structure. This isn't a solid rock or a loose pile of rubble. Its gravitational effects on nearby dust and gas suggest an internal balance that defies the chaotic nature of natural asteroids. Imagine a cosmic Voyager, perfectly poised, spinning with the precision of a gyroscope as it crosses light years. Such stability is rare, even among the most well-studied bodies in our solar system. The implications are staggering. If 3 Atlas is natural, it suggests processes capable of creating structured complexity on a scale we've never imagined. If it's artificial, it could be the remnant of a civilization long gone, a relic that has wandered the galaxy for billions of years. Its isotopic anomalies hint at an origin in a region or even a galaxy with chemistry foreign to our own? Could 3 Atlas be a messenger from a place so distant that its very existence challenges our understanding of the cosmos? This question isn't just scientific, it's philosophical, touching on humanity's place in the universe. Share your reflections in the comments. What does it mean to encounter a traveler from beyond our galaxy? The origins of 3 Atlas stretch the boundaries of imagination, pulling us into a realm where science and speculation collide. JWST's data suggests that this object may not have formed in a nearby star system, nor even within the familiar spiral arms of the Milky Way. Its isotopic imbalances and exotic compounds point to an environment where the rules of stellar nucleosynthesis, those fundamental processes that forge elements in the hearts of stars, operated differently. Perhaps 3 Atlas hails from a region of the galaxy so ancient that its chemistry predates the formation of our own sun, a relic of a time when the universe was a cauldron of primordial forces. Or more daringly, it could originate from another galaxy entirely, carried across unimaginable distances by gravitational currents or cosmic cataclysms. The idea that 3 Atlas might be an intergalactic wanderer is both thrilling and terrifying, for it implies a journey spanning billions of years, surviving encounters with stars, black holes, and the relentless void of space. Its smooth surface, devoid of the scars expected from such a voyage, only deepens the mystery. How could an object endure such a cosmic odyssey unscathed? This question tugs at our curiosity, urging us to wonder what other relics might be drifting through the galaxy, waiting to be found. What kind of environment could birth such a strange traveler? Drop your wildest theories in the comments, and let's piece together the possible origins of this cosmic enigma. For planetary defense experts, 3 Atlas is a wake-up call. Its unpredictable dynamics and massive size raise chilling questions about our ability to protect Earth from interstellar threats. Traditional strategies for deflecting asteroids rely on predictable physics. Nudge a rock, and its path shifts accordingly. But what happens when an object doesn't follow the rules? If 3 Atlas represents a new class of cosmic wanderers, our models for tracking and mitigating hazards are woefully inadequate. The thought of similar objects, perhaps on collision courses, introduces a new kind of existential risk, one we're not equipped to face. This isn't just about science, it's about survival. The data suggests that 3 Atlas could be one of many, riding galactic currents like leaves in a stream. If others exist, hidden in the vastness of space, we may not detect them until they're already upon us. The silence of 3 Atlas, no screaming radio signals, no obvious emissions, makes it even harder to spot. Its subtle pulses and faint modulations require instruments as sensitive as JWST to detect, leaving us blind to what else might be out there. What do you think humanity should do to prepare for such unknowns? Drop your ideas in the comments, and let's spark a discussion about our place in a universe that's suddenly less predictable. One of the most mesmerizing aspects of 3 Atlas is the way it interacts with its cosmic surroundings, as if performing a delicate dance with the interstellar medium. JWST's sensitive instruments detected an extraordinary phenomenon. Dust particles near 3 Atlas don't scatter chaotically as they do around typical comets or asteroids. Instead, they seem to cling to the object longer than expected, deflecting at consistent angles as if guided by an invisible force. This behavior suggests the presence of a structured field, perhaps electromagnetic or plasma-based, that shapes the dust's movement in ways that defy our models of natural interactions. Unlike comets, which plow through space leaving trails of gas and debris, 3 Atlas appears to carry a kind of aura, a shield that redirects particles with startling precision. This isn't just a passive object drifting through the void, it's an entity that seems to sculpt its environment, bending the chaos of space to its will. The implications are profound. If 3 Atlas can influence its surroundings in this way, what other unseen forces might it wield? Could this be a natural process we've yet to understand, or does it hint at a technology so advanced it mimics nature itself? This cosmic choreography captivates the imagination, urging us to question what we know about the universe's mechanics. What do you think is behind this eerie interaction? Share your theories in the comments, and let's unravel the secrets of 3 Atlas's dance with the cosmos. 3 Atlas isn't just an object, it's a mirror reflecting the limits of human understanding. Every data point, from its reflective streaks to its isotopic ratios, challenges the boundaries between natural and unnatural, chaos and design. The scientific community is scrambling to frame hypotheses, but each one raises more questions than it answers. If 3 Atlas is a natural phenomenon, it demands a radical rethinking of planetary science, stellar chemistry, and galactic dynamics. If it's not, it forces us to confront about the possibility of intelligence elsewhere in the cosmos, not as a distant abstraction, but as a tangible relic passing through our solar system. This ambiguity is what makes 3 Atlas so unsettling. Science thrives on anomalies, but this one feels like a tear in the fabric of our knowledge. It's not a tidy discovery to be cataloged and forgotten, it's a riddle that refuses to be solved. As 3 Atlas drifts out of our solar system, fading from JWST's view, it leaves behind a legacy of questions. We can't chase it, can't probe it up close, can't resolve its mysteries. That helplessness, paired with the weight of its implications, is perhaps the most haunting truth of all. What does it mean to encounter something we can't fully understand? Share your thoughts below, and let's wrestle with this cosmic enigma together. The properties of 3 Atlas spark uncomfortable parallels with human technology, raising questions that push the boundaries of science into the realm of engineering. Its ability to regulate heat, maintain structural integrity, and exhibit precise rotational stability mirrors the characteristics of advanced spacecraft designed to withstand the rigors of space travel. The fluorinated carbon compounds detected on its surface, rare in nature but common in synthetic materials, evoke the kinds of coatings we use to protect satellites from extreme temperatures and radiation. Even its hollow-like internal structure, inferred from gravitational data, suggests a design optimized for efficiency, much like the lightweight frameworks of our own space probes. These similarities are not definitive proof of artificial origins, but they force us to consider the possibility of a technology so ancient or advanced that it blends seamlessly with the natural world. Imagine a civilization capable of crafting such an object, launching it into the void to wander for eons, perhaps as a probe, a monument, or a message. If 3 Atlas is a relic, what was its purpose? And why does it now drift silently through our solar system? This technological echo challenges us to rethink what natural means in a universe that may harbor artifacts beyond our comprehension. How do these parallels with human engineering make you feel about 3 Atlas? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's explore whether we're seeing the shadow of a cosmic technology. The discovery of 3 Atlas marks a turning point, not just for astronomy, but for humanity's relationship with the cosmos. JWST, designed to peer into the universe's earliest galaxies, has instead revealed a mystery in our own backyard. As it continues to scan the skies, more interstellar visitors are likely to be found. If they're anything like 3 Atlas, they'll force us to expand our models, not just to accommodate diversity, but to grapple with the possibility that we're not alone in shaping matter at cosmic scales. The universe, once thought vast but predictable, now feels deeply, unsettlingly strange. This moment challenges us to rethink how we communicate discoveries that shake our foundations. The raw data from JWST, released transparently, has sparked a mix of awe, fascination, and dread. Scientists urge caution, but the public imagination is already racing, fueled by the object's uncanny features. 3 Atlas isn't just a scientific puzzle, it's a sociological one, testing how we metabolize truths that don't fit our expectations. As we move forward, how should we balance transparency with the need to frame these discoveries responsibly? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's explore what this means for our collective future. The revelation of 3 Atlas has done more than challenge astronomers. It has sent ripples through society, reshaping how we view our place in the universe. The raw, unfiltered data from JWST, accessible to anyone with an internet connection, has ignited a global conversation that transcends laboratories and lecture halls. Social media platforms buzz with theories, from the plausible to the fantastical, as people grapple with the possibility that 3 Atlas could be a relic of an ancient civilization or a natural phenomenon so alien it defies our textbooks. This discovery has become a cultural moment, much like the moon landing or the first images of Pluto, but with a darker edge. Its ambiguity fuels both wonder and unease. Schools are incorporating 3 Atlas into curricula, sparking debates among students about the nature of science and the unknown. Artists are creating works inspired by its eerie symmetry, while philosophers ponder what it means to encounter something that blurs the line between creation and chaos. Yet this openness also brings challenges. Misinformation spreads as quickly as awe, with some claiming 3 Atlas as proof of extraterrestrial conspiracies. How do we navigate this flood of curiosity and fear? The answer lies in our ability to embrace the unknown while grounding ourselves in reason. What impact do you think 3 Atlas will have on society in the years to come? Share your perspective in the comments, and let's explore how this cosmic mystery reshapes our world. Perhaps the most chilling aspect of 3 Atlas is its silence. Unlike pulsars or comets, it doesn't scream across the spectrum. Its signals are subtle, its pulses faint, its deviations slight. This quietness leaves us wondering what we're missing. Are there layers of data beyond JWST's reach? Could future instruments tuned to radio or high-energy photons reveal a different side to this enigma? For now, we're left in a state of suspended ignorance, aware of 3 Atlas's strangeness, but blind to its full scope. That uncertainty is worse than any clear answer, because it forces us to confront the limits of our tools and our minds. As 3 Atlas recedes into the void, it carries its secrets with it. We're left with a dossier of riddles, a snapshot of bewilderment frozen in time, the realization that the universe can place such puzzles before us, and snatch them away before we're ready, strikes at the heart of our quest for knowledge. 3 Atlas isn't a disaster movie scenario. It's something far more disorienting. It's a reminder that the cosmos doesn't owe us answers, only questions. What do you think we should do with this moment of cosmic uncertainty? Share your ideas below and let's keep the conversation going. 3 Atlas is more than a scientific anomaly. It's a philosophical reckoning that forces us to confront the boundaries of our existence. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, seeking meaning, purpose, and connection. Now, with 3 Atlas, we face an object that might embody those aspirations, or shatter them entirely. If it's a natural phenomenon, it reveals a universe capable of crafting complexity so profound it mimics design, challenging our assumptions about chaos and order. If it's artificial, it suggests we are not alone, not just in the abstract sense of distant life, but in the tangible presence of a relic that may have been shaped by hands, minds, or processes we cannot fathom. This possibility raises questions that echo beyond science. What does it mean to share the cosmos with evidence of another's existence? How do we define ourselves in a universe where the line between natural and artificial blurs? These questions strike at the core of our identity, our beliefs, and our hopes for the future. 3 Atlas invites us to imagine a cosmos where humanity is not the sole architect of meaning, a prospect both humbling and exhilarating. As we ponder this, let's reflect together. How does 3 Atlas change your view of humanity's place in the universe? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's dive into this profound philosophical journey. As 3 Atlas slips beyond our reach, it leaves us peering toward the horizon of future discoveries, wondering what other enigmas the universe holds. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled sensitivity, has opened a new chapter in astronomy, one where interstellar objects like 3 Atlas may become more common. If even a fraction of these visitors share its bizarre traits, its structured surface, its pulsing light, its defiance of gravitational norms, humanity will need to rethink not just our science, but our technology and priorities. The prospect of more such objects challenges us to develop new instruments, perhaps radio telescopes or deep space probes, capable of capturing data beyond JWST's current capabilities. Imagine a future where we launch missions to intercept these cosmic wanderers, analyzing their composition up close and unraveling their secrets. Such endeavors could redefine our understanding of the galaxy, revealing whether 3 Atlas is a singular anomaly or part of a hidden population of structured objects. This vision of exploration ignites hope, but also urgency, as 3 Atlas's fleeting passage reminds us how little time we have to study these transients. What technologies or strategies should we prioritize to prepare for the next interstellar visitor? Share your ideas in the comments, and let's dream up the future of cosmic exploration together. The story of 3 Atlas is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a call to wonder, to question, and to dream. It reminds us that the universe is not just vast, but alive with possibilities we can't yet fathom. Whether it's a natural marvel or the relic of something greater, 3 Atlas challenges us to expand our imagination. It's a testament to the power of human curiosity, embodied in tools like JWST, and a reminder that every discovery pushes us closer to the edge of the unknown. So where do we go from here? Let's keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep sharing our thoughts. If this story has sparked your curiosity, hit that like button to let us know. Drop your theories, questions, or reflections in the comments. What does 3 Atlas mean to you? And if you want to stay on this cosmic journey, share this story with others who love a good mystery. The universe is full of enigmas, and together we can unravel them one question at a time. Thank you for joining us on this voyage into the unknown. Let's see where the stars take us next.